Hey there, I've got a Radio Master TX16S on my right and a FRSky Horus X10s on my left. I got the Radio Master about 4 days ago and the Horus is about 2 years old. I've been following a discussion on RC groups where they're complaining a lot about the sound quality and the volume on the Radio Master. So I just wanted to do a very unscientific test on the sound. I've got the camera in the center of between both radios. I've got some telemetry set up. I'm going to toggle the switch so you can hear the sound difference between the Radio Master and the Horus. So we'll start off with the Radio Master.
0 volts, 0 feet.
Now the Horus.
0 volts, 0 feet.
There's no doubt the Horus has less of a tinny sound, but I have no issues understanding what the Radio Master is saying. Let's try it again.
0 volts, 0 feet. 0 volts, 0 feet. 0 volts, 0 feet. 0 volts, 0 feet.
Okay, so that's the difference in the sound. You can make up your own mind if you think that's a deal breaker, if you don't want to buy the radio. I personally think it's fine. For $130, it's a bargain.